Look good, feel good. Do you ever look at yourself in the mirror and think, wow, I'm going to take on the world today? Maybe you don't go that far, but when you're happy with the way in which you're presenting yourself, your confidence levels skyrocket. So, what does that mean for you? There's lots of ways to live up to the look good, feel good mantra. Here are a few. Wear your favorite outfit for an interview or a big presentation. Go shopping. Try out a new hairstyle. Hang up some encouraging post-its around your bathroom mirror so that you read positive self-talk every time you see yourself. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Pay for a professional photo shoot. List out the things you love most about yourself. Reclaiming confidence is no easy task. When you've been broken down, it takes time to build yourself back up. Go easy on yourself and allow yourself the time you need. Eventually, bit by bit, you'll get to a point where smiling at yourself in the mirror isn't so hard after all.